Welcome students, online class of RJDs. I hope you are well. I know students, you have already completed your grammar items. That means 11 grammar items of your syllabus. You all are prepared well for test exam. Today I will start a grammar item for your revision. At first look at the sentence. What can you see? The sentence is he could not go to college because of his illness. What kind of sentence is this? It's a completing sentence. Let us students discuss about completing sentence. Do you remember students the definition of completing sentence? Yes, when a part of a sentence is completed with a clause or a phrase is called a completing sentence. The learning outcomes of the lesson is at the end of the lesson you will be able to identify some items of completing sentence, identify the information formation of completing sentence, complete incomplete sentences. Now students look some structure of the completing sentence. Completing sentences item number 1. You you will complete the sentences by using of, because of, on account of, owing to and due to. Look at the sentence. He cannot do hard job on account of his illness. In the same way, you can complete the following sentences. Completing item number 2. Use of would rather than. Look at the sentence. I would rather drink tea than coffee. In the same way, you can complete the following sentences by using of would rather than. Completing item number 3. Use of had better. In Bangla, you can say borong bhalo. Look at the sentence. You had better go. Remind student had better. It is unreal past. It does not mean past tense, rather it denotes present and future. No infinitive is used after it. Now you can complete the sentence by using had better. Completing item number 4. Use of no sooner than. Structure is no sooner had plus subject plus V3 plus extension plus than plus subject plus V2. Look at the sentence. No sooner had he reached the station than the train left. You can do the activities by using no sooner than. Completing item 5. Use of it is time, that means proper time. Structure is it is time to plus V1 plus extension. The sentence is it is time to start the plane. Structure number 2, it is time for plus object plus 2 plus V1 plus extension. It is time for me to board the plane. Completing item number 6. Use of it is time, that means time is over. Formation 1, it is time that subject plus V2 plus extension. The example is it is time we started the train journey. Completing item 7. Use of it is high time, that means time is over. Structure 1. It is high time plus subject plus V2 plus extension. It is high time we started journey by bus. Activities for you. You can complete the activities by using it is high time. Completing item 8. Use of as if or as though. In Bangla, jeno. Structure is subject plus V1 plus extension plus as if as though plus subject plus V2 plus extension. Look at the example. He speaks as though he knew everything. Structure 2, subject plus V2 plus extension plus as if or as though plus subject plus had plus V3 plus extension. Example is he spoke as though he had known everything. Look at the highlighted word of the sentences and remind these highlighted words. Completing item number 9, use of let alone, undesirable thinking. Structure is negative sentence plus let alone plus relevant part of the sentence. Look at the example. He cannot live in a hut, let alone an aristocratic house. Activities for you. You can use let alone and you can complete the following sentences. Students, I will you will practice the structure at home. You know, practice makes a man perfect. Next class, I will teach you the rest of the structure of completing sentences. Till then, Allah Hafiz.